Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3. You got about 2s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we have negative number 3. ds. Next, because we don't have number 3 and number 3, we need to divide both sides by number 3. Now, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 on here, and then we got about u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 4, so I will put number 4 on here and here, so we can find the value of u equals to 37. Now this one we change by number 1. Number 4 we change by 37. This one we change by u from here. To s minus 1 we change by du over number 3. And now we have the final answer. The integration of du over u. You got about ln of the absolute value of u. And we put the bounds from number 1 to 37. And now we have the final answer. We know that ln number 1 you got about 0. So we have the final answer like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching. This is the end.